What's up, guys? I need everyone to take out the Robinhood real quick. I gotta show y'all something that my boy Jordan showed me. It's called Boeing. So right now the low is at 123, which is, it fell because it's American airline, and everything's falling right now, especially no one's flying. So it's at 123 and the high is at 424. So do you see where I'm going? And do you expect American airline to really fall that? I mean, yeah, it's gonna fall right now, but it's gonna pick up. The American economy is gonna pick up. Ladies, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the link in the bio so we can get some free stocks. You know what I'm saying? Do it. Laters.